If you have a finding it difficult to lock chat on WhatsApp, sometimes when you're trying to lock chat on WhatsApp, this message like this pop up on your screen. As a result of this, I'm going to show you in this video step-by-step guide on how you can actually set up your Face ID or fingerprint in order to lock any chat on WhatsApp with just your Android phone. A step-by-step tutorial guide. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about WhatsApp tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So sometimes we want to lock chat on WhatsApp by clicking on here, and by the time you click on that, you click on continue just for you to lock a chat. But all of a sudden you come across a message pop up like this, which asks you to set up your face or fingerprint to lock a chat on WhatsApp. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to set up your face or your fingerprint and be able to lock any chat on WhatsApp, step by step tutorial using your Android phone. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is to just simply click on OK, and we are going to exit from WhatsApp. Then having exit from WhatsApp, so the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I head over to settings on my phone. So I'm going to click on settings right here. Then I have to scroll down and locate security on your phone. Then take you to this particular page. Now next thing you want to do is to click on fingerprint on enroll. Then apply your security pattern. Okay, then it takes you to this particular page whereby you need to add a fingerprint. Next thing you want to do is to click on add fingerprint. Then avoid oiling, dirty or wet finger. Keep fingerprint reader clear. Please enroll a fingerprint. So what I'm going to do here is to click on next. Then I have to place my fingerprint. So after a successful scan your fingerprint, next thing you want to do is to click on finished. Boom. So you have successfully had one fingerprint. Now the next thing we can do is to head over back to the WhatsApp. So I'm going to exit from my fingerprint section. Then I'll head over back to my WhatsApp right here. I'm going to click on WhatsApp. Then this time around, we can simply lock the chat. So for us to lock a chat, we simply click on the top right here. Then we have to scroll down and then we come to lock chat. We click on here. Then we make sure we click on continue. Then we have to touch to enable the lock. Boom. So a chat has been successfully locked, just like what you see right here. So this is how to lock chat on WhatsApp and how to enable your fingerprint on your Android phone, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about WhatsApp tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.